गोयच्या कलाकारांक घेवन दिल्लीचे खोज इंटरनॅशनल आर्टिस्ट असोसिएशनान खोर्जुव्या खोज इंटरनॅशनल वर्कशॉप दवरिल्ले। 13 देश आनी जगभरांतल्यान 23 कलाकारांनी तातूंत वांटो घेतिल्लो। प्रत्येकान आपली कला दाखयली। कोणाचे पेंटिंग्स, कोणाचे साउंड इफेक्ट्स, पिक्चर प्रोजेक्शन आनी अशे कितलेशेच।
Serhiy Petliuk, an artist from Ukraine. I'm a media artist and I'm presenting and showing my new work, which I made here.
तेरा कंट्रीतले आर्टिस्ट आहा, सो अराउंड 23 आर्टिस्ट एका जाग्यार येवन ह्या जागेक घेवन आयडिया डेव्हलप करून काम स्टार्ट केलेलें। सो आयज तेंचो ओपन स्टुडियो।
Worked with a group of young Goan artists, a group of 6 young Goan artists, extremely talented Goan artists, and we thought that there is no space for young and emerging talent in Goa, इसलिए हम ये workshop यहाँ पे करना चाहते थे, and we wanted to, and they've managed to bring together 22 fabulous artists from all over the world, जिन्होंने दुनिया के सबसे बेहतरीन बिएनालेज में, right up from Venice Biennale to Sao Paulo, Documenta, Manifesta, इन सब में काम दिखाया है, and their own practices are very renowned. और बहुत ही diverse group of artists है, कोई sound के साथ काम करता है, तो कोई painting करता है, somebody is working with games, somebody is a photographer. तो एक बहुत ही diverse group of artists को हम साथ में लेके आए हैं, and we really hope that with this workshop the Goan artists will also continue to do more workshops like this and really grow the local scene in Goa and invite other young artists as well as give space for other Goan artists to live and work together.
सुबोध केरकारान ताचें कार्पेट ऑफ जॉय सर्गेस्त सतीश सोनकाक अर्पण केलां। मंत्री विनोद पालयेकार आनी जयेश साळगांवकारान सुबोधाच्या कलाकृतीचें साळगांव उक्तावण केलें। एका इस्रायली आर्टिस्टा कडच्यान प्रेरणा घेवन केरकारान 1.5 लाख प्लास्टीक बाटल्यो वापरून खंय हें कार्पेट केलां।
This is inspired by an Israeli artist. We recently had a program with children, 2,000 children, which was supported by Goala Closures. And we had this program and we decided that all the kids will do one object which we will use for making a big sculpture. But then an Israeli artist visited me, an old man called Uri Beer, and he was doing something with plastic bottles of this kind, but at a very small scale. So I decided to take inspiration from Uri Bear and decided to do this work with the objective of sort of bringing to notice the littering problem. Because art, I believe, has a great potential to communicate. Art can communicate. And
पयस साकून येतना म्हाका दिसलें कितें तर त्या फुलांचे भरपूर कितें तरी घालां अशें घालीचो अंथरल्या भशेन पळोवपाक दिसता, पण लागीं गेल्या नंतर कळटा की तें प्लास्टीक म्हणून, नाजाल्यार तें कळूंक येना प्लास्टिकाचो सुद्दां कसो उपयोग करूं येता हें ह्या मोठ्या चित्रकारान हांगा दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा.
We have a garbage plant, a state-of-art garbage plant in Saligaon, and the littering on the roadside, the mindless littering should stop, and so we needed to create an awareness among people, and we got the help of Dr. Subodh Kerkar, and Subodh Kerkar, through this beautiful installation, I think so, is creating awareness.
This is a close friend that this program we are dedicating to Satish, because Satish was a visionary. He had started his social work. he has started all kinds of activities, and in that, this was one of the issues. Environment protection was one of the issues which was very close to Satish's heart.
Give a break.